Morning everyone. I'm Dharni. I'm from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Sri City. I'm working on a project climate change and terrestrial adaptation and mitigation in India. Beloved mentor under the guidance of Dr. Yogananda sir. First of all, what is climate change and what are the strategies of mitigation in India? Firstly, introduce the what is climate change and what's that. Global warming is for real. Every scientist knows that no, and we are on our way to the destruction of every species on earth if we don't pay attention and reserve of our course. It means that the global warming is the talk of the town in this century, and detrimental effects already being brought to limelight by the recurring events of massive floods and droughts and ravaging cyclones throughout the globe. Before embarking on a detailed analysis of global warming and impacts of on climate, we should first know what climate, greenhouse effect and global warming actually mean. Firstly, the climate is defined as the general or average weather conditions of a certain region, including temperature, rainfall and wind. This is the climate change. The means the Earth's climate is the most affected by latitude, the tilt of Earth's axis, the movements of the Earth's wind belts, and the difference in temperatures of land and sea and topography. Human activity, especially relating to actions relating to the depletion of the ore, it is also an important factor of climate change. Firstly, we know the what is the greenhouse effect and how it affects on climate and it affects on the humans. Greenhouse effect is the phenomenon whereby the Earth's atmosphere traps solar radiation, and it is mediated by the presence in the atmosphere of gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor and methane that allow incoming sunlight to pass through but absorb the heat radiated back from the Earth's surface. Thus, the greenhouse gases provide a blanketing effect in the lower strata of Earth's atmosphere, and this blanketing effect is being enhanced because of the human activities like burning of fossil fuels, etc. What are the effects of global warming on the Earth's surface? Detailed researches of climatic events of the past 150 years have revealed that the temperatures have risen along over the world. The warming occurred in two phases. In general, climatic changes prior of the Industrial Revolution in the 17,000s can be explained by natural gases such as changes in solar energy, volcanic eruptions, and natural changes in greenhouse gases concentrations. And what is the climate change in India? There has been a particularly alarming effect of global warming on the climate of India. India has already a disaster-prone area. The statistics of 27 out of 35 states being disaster-prone, with most disasters being water-related. Warming trend over India has been reported to be 0.57% 2 years. Floods, droughts and cyclones are the key extreme climatic events. Permanent glaciers in upper Himalayas have vacated large areas in increase in glacial runoff. Pluvial annual changes in area averaged surface area, temperature and precipitations over southern Asia as a result of future increase in greenhouse gases. Greenhouse climatic change in India because of agriculture and droughts, cyclones, etc. And floods in India. Floods in Bihar also there, and 2005 Maharashtra floods, 2007 South Asian floods, 2000 Indian floods. The most affected area states were Karnataka, Orissa, Kerala, Gujarat and Northeast Indian states, with over 2,200 people reported dead and a million of homes destroyed in India. An Hindu devotee tries to take a holy dip into the flooded water of river Ganges in the North Indian town of Haridwar on June 18, 2013. And the droughts. A submerged idol of Hindu Lord Shiva flooded river Ganges in Rishikesh in the northern Indian state of Uttarakhand. People purchased to offer water are ready to injure each other as they struggle to get water from a well in the drought affected areas of India. So many areas in India are affected by droughts and cyclones. They are West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu along the Bay of Bengal are the most affected due to cyclones in India. Now look into the how to adapt to the climate change. What are the strategies in climate change India? Firstly, institutional arrangements, warning and prevention of floods, managing of droughts, adaptation in agriculture. These are the adapting techniques or adapting methods to climate change. Firstly, improving institutional capacity. Modern unified legislation for disaster management and comprehensive, robust and accessible database. National network of all knowledge-based institutions. Provision of adequate financial support for adaptation and vulnerability reduction schemes. This is the one of the method. And one more is development and management of water resources to adapt the climate change. We need to enhance water store capacity and conduct strategist analysis of NRLP and implement the inevitable, improve design standards in disaster prone areas, enhanced water productivity at all levels, invigorate the traditional institutions at local levels. Now adapting to floods. Learning to live with the floods, improved flood forecasting, area inundation forecast, floodplain zoning and enforcement of regulations. Now community participation in flood management. These are the methods of adapting to floods. Now one more is adaptation of agriculture. Looking into that, now looking to the adapting to climate change. Comprehensive decentralized system of drought declaration and management, vulnerability level based system of drone response, shift in favor of robust and integrated system of livelihood opportunities. Now this is the adaptation of agriculture. These are the one of the technique to adapting the climate change. Use of biotechnology to formulate suitable gene constructs to impart drought resistance and heat and cold tolerance. Special efforts for coastal, hilly and other critical fragile areas. Improved crop production techniques to enhance input use efficiency, use of resource conservation technologies attain higher yields. And now look into the mitigation strategies. What are the mitigation strategies in India to climate change? One of these are foresters, agroforestry, agriculture, manure and nutrition management, soil management, livestock management and energy management. Looking into one of them. Firstly is foresters. Tropical and subtropical forests comprise 56% of the world's forest, while temperate and boreal forests accounts for 44%. Forests are capable of mitigating large amount of carbon dioxide. The forest sector has a biophysical mitigation potential of 5.4 carbon dioxide on average up to until 2050. Now one more is agroforestry, an attractive and promising option for sequestering carbon on agriculture lands while leaving the bulk of the land for agriculture. And now these are the mitigation strategies. Loss mitigation strategies. Adaptation measures are a series of policies and that reduce the vulnerability of natural system, human population and economies of climatic stresses and climatic change. Climate change has several impacts of ecosystems and societies, and we are also protect ourselves from these impacts. But we are not only victims of the climate change, but we are also contributing. Human activities, including agriculture sector activities, are causing climate change through increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. There are two main actions. First one is we need to adapt the climate change, which means adaptation, and one more is we should intervene on its causes. It means that mitigation. Adaptation measures deal with the impacts of climate change and have the objective of reducing the vulnerability of humans and natural systems. The mitigation addresses the causes of the problem, which involves reducing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Even with an immediate stop in the GHG emissions in the climate change will occur because of the slow reaction of the climate system. Therefore, adaptation and mitigation should be considered as complementary.